Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of enabling the Fast Startup feature in Windows 10. Fast Startup is a useful feature that allows your computer to boot up quicker by saving some system information in a hibernation file. Let's get started. Step 1. Click the Start button. Step 2. Type Power Options. Step 3. Select Power Options. Step 4. On the left, choose Additional Power Settings. Step 5. On the right, click Choose what the power button does. Step 6. Select Change settings that are currently unavailable if the shutdown settings are grayed out. Step 7. Check the box next to Turn on Fast Startup. Step 8. Click Save Changes. And that's it. You have successfully enabled Fast Startup in Windows 10. Enjoy the faster boot up times and improved efficiency of your computer. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Get ready to experience the benefits of Fast Startup on your Windows 10 device.